Hello, in this video, you're going to learn how easy it is to use JIBB to capture your writing on a piece of paper using webcam. First, it's important to understand that you should avoid using lined or colored paper and only use blank pieces of paper instead to get the best results. Also, we recommend using smaller paper sizes or folding larger pieces of paper in half to have an easier experience fitting your surface inside the camera preview.
Now I'm going to show you how to use JIBB with your webcam and a piece of paper or a mini whiteboard or lapboard as they're also known. So to begin with, I'm going to open my control panel. I'm going to make sure that paper is selected as my surface, my input is selected as webcam, and then I'm going to turn my camera preview on like so. Now, because I'm using my built-in webcam, I can tilt my screen forward like this. I'm going to place my piece of paper so that it's fitting inside the camera preview, and then I'm just going to click start. I'm going to move out of the way so that the automatic detection can see the whole surface, and as you can see, it's telling me to start writing, and you can see that I've already written some text. I'm just going to draw a circle. That's how it goes. Now I'm going to show you how to use the lapboard in very much the same way. So I'm going to move my paper out of the way. So again, I'm going to open my control panel, and again I'm going to make sure that paper is selected because I'm going to use my lapboard exactly the same way I would use a piece of paper, flat on the desk or table in front of me. So I'm going to move the laptop a little bit further away this time because the surface is bigger, and I'm going to say turn the camera preview on and tilt it forward. I'm going to move my pen out of the way, make sure the whole thing fits there. Click start, move my hands out of the way. It's going to detect the surface and tell me to start writing. I reckon. Hey. Now, if you don't have a built-in webcam like inside a laptop, you can also use an external USB webcam like this one, where I could put it on top of my computer monitor and aim it up and down like this to get the same result. So anyway, thank you for watching, and please visit our website to learn more.